Hi friends, welcome to Cloud Rabbit. Today's class we're going to have a demo on the AM user. In generally, what is my AM user? AM user stands for identity and access management. Like your organization you have taken a cloud account. Then so that when you default taken the cloud account, AWS cloud account, that account will become the root account. So by the default, whatever you have taken the account at having a all privileges, mean that you have access to the any services. But organization mean that other people also there, like developers team, like other like a junior administration team, like marketing team, other people also there. So they also need to access your AWS account or AWS console. Then what we do here, we'll create an AM user and we'll assign the role to the particular department. So AM user have a you can restrict the user to particular role. Okay. So if you want to give AM user as a full role, we can give the full permission also by allocating the full role. Okay. See here how to create a AM role. So first we have to go to the we have to log in into the AWS console. Once we had logged into the AWS console, okay. So then here click on the services. In the services, so in the bottom you have a security, identity and compliance. Just select the security, identity and compliance. In that one we have a AM user. Here this is the AM user console. Okay. Here by default I had not created any users. Here by default I don't have any groups here. Here the user groups are there. Here the users are there. I had assigned 17 roles and I had assigned 8 policies, and here are identity providers. Okay. So here in access management we have user groups. Nothing but user groups is nothing but collection of users and roles, policies, identity providers and other setting. Here, so how can you log into the AM console? We can log into the AM console in a multiple ways. Either we can log into the console by using the AWS console. Through AWS console we can log in. Or else we can log in through command prompt. So we can log into the command prompt or SDK. Here if you want to log into the command prompt through command prompt or SDK, we need the keys. We need the security keys. That is here we have a manage access key. Okay. We have a management access keys. Okay. So here these are the keys are there that we had created the key. So by the default, how many keys we can create? It will be 2 keys. By the default, 1 key is already created. So again, if you want to create a key, we can create the second key also. So more than 2 keys we can't create. Only 2 keys will be created. Here 2 keys are already created. I want to create a key. First select on this make inactive. Okay, deactivate. Then we're going to delete this key. Okay. This key. Okay. So copy here, paste. Okay. So delete. Here I want to create a new key. Click on the create new access key. This is the key and download key file. Here just click the download key file. So remember that keep this download key file the key file secretly, and also this key file should have perfectly stored. If you forgot or if you deleted this key, then it is difficult to log into the this AM user. Okay. So right now it has created. It was created. AM user access key is created. Okay. So once it is AM user access key is created, then I'm going to click on the users. Here already 2 users are created. Okay, I want to delete this user. You can delete. Just select here and delete. Here select the delete and use the username. The username. Paste and delete. Here just type user 2. Okay, so to create a user, here deleted. To create a user, add user. Here you can put any name, like I will use any name like user 11. Okay, here select the AWS access type, means that whether we want to access as a programmatic access or through password access. This programmatic access allows you to log in using the command prompt, using that is a CLI or API mode or SDK mode, other development software development kit. Through other software development kits are through this CLI, that is whether Windows CLI or Linux CLI. Through CLI we can log in by using the access key, that is nothing but a programmatic access. Here another one is the password, that is the AWS management console, whether you want to log in through console or through programmatic access. Okay, here suppose I want to access through the programmatic access, nothing but to access through the command prompt, select the access key. Okay, next permissions. Okay, so next so here which policy you want to add. Suppose I want to add a policy. Presently I don't give any policy, I don't give any add policy, just I will create the user. Okay, just I will create the user. Just create a user. Just create a user, and I just download this one. I just download this CSV file. I just download this CSV file. Here I had downloaded this CSV file. Is there? So this CSV file having a multiple this username, password, access key, and a secret key, This is the link to log in into the console. This is the link to log into the console. Here just for login through the command prompt, just go to the first we have to download the AWS CLI to log into the Windows. AWS CLI. Here just type the AWS CLI installation. Just click on this. First we have to download this one. Download this one for Windows. So I need this one. So this one. You need to we need to download and install this software. Okay. We need to download and install this software. Understand? So this I had already downloaded. So then go to the run, type cmd. Okay. So here this is the MSA file. So this is the MSA file. This is the file. First we have to download this MSA file. Once it has downloaded, and install this one. Okay, install this one. So installation is pretty simple. Just click on the next. After installation of this command prompt MSI, then go to the CMD, then type CMD and type AWS configure. If you want to check that the installation are there, AWS version you can type here. AWS version here you can type. So just need that AWS space -version. Okay, this is the thing. So then, so we have to log into the console. We have to type AWS configure. Okay. Once I type AWS configure, it asks for the access key and a secret key. Access key and a secret key. I had already downloaded the access key and the secret key. So this is the access key. This is the access key. And this is the secret key. This is the secret key. Okay, tasking for the default region, I will put AP South 1 and the default auto format. So right now I had logged into the this console, that is by using the ham user. Okay, using the ham user. So here to verify that, first you have to type AWS S3 ls, whether you had verified. So why? Because we don't have any permission. We don't have any permission to access this S3 bucket. Here I'll just go to the AMP policy. I'll just go to the AMP policy. So here AMP policy is there. Okay, and this time I'll attach the policy to the AM user. Just select this user. Okay, and okay, select this user. So add the permissions, attach the existing policy directly. Okay, here I'll just type S3 full access. I'll give the permission to access the S3 for the AM user, 11. Okay, just type S3 full. Okay, just give this Amazon S3 full access and add permission, and I had added the permission. Okay, so let me check that what happens. So right now I had accessed the S3 bucket because I had given the permission for the AM user. So before this one, I don't have any permission for the AM user. We have only for the without permission we had logged into the AM user. So this is the thing. The next class I will going to explain that how to create a AM user again. So through AM user we're going to log into the AWS console, through AWS console. So this is the thing, how to log into the AWS console through command prompt or SDK or API. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.